Hey everybody, it's Kate and Georgia from wildtailsf.com, where we share about family travel and outdoor adventure. It's Friday and we are going on a quick bike ride. And where are we going to go, Georgia?
To the tunnel!
To the tunnel. So here in Seattle we have a bike tunnel that's part of I-90, and Georgia here just upgraded to a new bike, a new to her bike. And we are gonna try, she's very excited, we are trying out having her ride with the family. She's not gonna go on the trailer bike. She is going to go on her very own bike. She's very excited. She's gonna go on her bike, and we're gonna utilize our stay healthy streets here in Seattle for the most part. So we're mostly gonna be riding on the streets that are closed to through traffic. And one of the streets, 25th here in the central area of Seattle, goes all the way to the I-90 lid, and so we're going to go to the tunnel and we will see you on the road.
Some jelly beans!
And we have some jelly beans. What happened? Did you get it back in?
It'll just fall out again.
Okay. So the order is Dad, Bergen, Georgia, Mom. How do you feel? Yes, so we had a change of plans. Slade got his bike out and realized that there was a spoke missing, or that got detached, which probably explains why he was having trouble last weekend on our ride. And so he and Bergen are gonna go ahead and take his bike to the bike shop right now. And so it's just Georgia and I here riding to the tunnel, which probably works out better as she is learning the ropes to riding on her own.
And maybe we get jelly beans.
Maybe. How you doing?
Close to the tunnel.
We're almost to the tunnel, and Georgia's doing great. It's actually been good that Slade and Bergen aren't here, because Georgia doesn't feel like she's in a rush, and we can also practice switching gears, which has been something that she is working on. Stay over to the side when you come out. Stay over to the side. Ready to go get some dinner, Georgia?
Yeah.
What'd you think of the ride?
What?
Whoa. Okay. Good. Good, Georgia. That's it. Who'd you find?
I found Dad and Bergen.
All right. Where'd you get these cookies? Are these low riders?
Low rider.
Wow, one for each?
Well, Mom, I got
think
you this
Georgia
special
should
one.
pick her.
This is chocolate peanut butter chip.
No way. Really?
Yep.
That's my favorite.
There you go.
Even a week past Mother's Day and I'm still getting treated?
Now the rest of them we could split.
Hey, no.
Well, okay. You want this one? Oh, well, hold on.
Which one is that?
That's the one I want
Salty.
too. Salted caramel.
Salted
I
caramel.
want this one too.
What's
You
this?
want this one too?
I want that one. I want that
Oh,
one.
that's
What'd you get? Salted caramel? What'd you get?
triple chocolate chip.
What'd you get? What is that?
I don't know.
What is it? What is that one?
Which one is this one?
Is it s'more?
Yeah, thank you.
No.
Aw,
No.
that's nice, Bergen. You guys like these cookies?
No.
It's your favorite cookie?
Mine is a s'more.
You think so?
No.
I don't know. You know what kind that is?
I'm looking it up.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, Georgia. What do you think?
A cookie.
You like that cookie?
Yeah.
All right. Ready to head home?
Yeah. We win.
Who did you beat?
Broken down.
Oh, well, we made it. What did you wish?
Why my dad?
No, Georgia was just telling me that she wished we went on a longer ride.
Yeah.
We'll see what we can do next time.